what you see in these pictures. Maybe snakes or maybe not. All animals try to enhance their survival rates. And one of the most effective way to achieve this goal is by looking similar to some environmental elements or by imitating other organisms. So, today we will learn one of the most fascinating mechanism which animals use to protect themselves. Yes, that's mimicry, which is one of the most amazing defensive mechanism. The term mimicry is derived from the Greek term mimetikos, which means imitation. Initially, it was used to describe people who have the ability to imitate. But from 1851 onwards, its use extended to other life forms too. Sometimes the term mimicry is used as a synonym of camouflage. Although these two phenomena are completely different from each other. Yeah, mimicry is the ability of an organism to imitate other organisms in terms of sound, appearance, smell, behavior, or location to protect itself. Whereas camouflage is actually derived from a Greek word kryptos, which means hidden. It is the ability of an organism to resemble its surrounding. So let's learn about the types of mimicry. Animal exhibits three different modes of mimicry. That is Batesian, Mullerian, and automimicry. The first one is Batesian mimicry. Batesian mimicry is named after Henry Walter Bates, a British scientist who studied mimicry in Amazonian butterflies. Batesian mimicry is a form of mimicry where a harmless species has evolved to imitate the warning signals of a harmful species. An example of Batesian mimicry is the venomous coral snake and the non-venomous scarlet king snake. Here the harmless king snake has patterns of colors almost similar to the harmful coral snake. This mimicry saves king snake from predators as they correlated with the venomous coral snake, right? Next is Mullerian mimicry. Mullerian mimicry is named after Fritz Müller, who's a German biologist, that is zoologist, basically, who worked in the Amazon 3 decades after Bates. So, Mullerian mimicry is a form of mimicry in which two or more harmful or unpalatable or dangerous animals develop similar appearance as a shared protective device. Here, they are sharing the colors or maybe any other form of defensive mechanism. It is observed in Heliconius butterfly species. Here, both of them have evolved to have mostly black bodies and wings, but they have a similar pattern of red and orange dots and marking on their wings. Since both of these species have the same bad taste, most predator will need to try one to learn to avoid the other. And the third and the last type is automimicry, which is often referred as intraspecific or self-mimicry. So it is a special case of mimicry that takes place when an organism transforms some part of its body in order to seem like another part of its own body or even of the body of another member of its species. as in case of male that mimics a trait from female. So the example here you can see in these pictures, you can see eye spots and fake antenna, which helps them to escape from predator by giving predator a false target. So these three are the different forms of mimicry adapted by animals. So to conclude today's lesson, mimicry helps animals survive and evolve. Thank you.